Well, getting older is a fact of life, and while everyone's aging process is unique to them, some people may require more help from others when it comes to looking after themselves later on in life.
While helping others can come with some positive mental health benefits, some psychologists warn of the intense impacts facing caregivers and are sharing strategies to help them cope. Chandler Painter is in New York with this report.
While September marks Healthy Aging Month, a time to raise awareness about the physical and mental health of older adults, psychology experts say it should also be a time to recognize the many factors that can impact their caregivers.
There's the financial aspect of it, there's the access aspect of it, in terms of even just the logistics of getting the medications, taking them to appointments.
Besides facing some monetary stresses, Dr. Anna Baker of Clemson University says caregivers can also experience mental hurdles, especially when looking after someone with dementia.
Elderly patients with dementia and other related disorders are going to have a lot of anger in the early stages because they know enough about what's going on that they know they're having some problems and they experience a lot of frustration, and oftentimes they will take that out on the people closest to them.
Dr. Baker describes the pain many caregivers can undergo as they watch a loved one endure changes to their health.
And it feels like they're not who they used to be, or they're not there anymore, even though they still physically are. So there's that mourning process. And then there's the mourning process that happens when that person actually passes away.
Because many caregivers devote much of their personal time to others, Baker urges folks to take time to indulge in self-care rituals without feeling guilty.
It's better for the patient or the child or the loved one if you do take care of yourself, because then you're better able to be what you need to be for that person.
If you're caring for someone with a chronic health condition, it can be hard to think about worst-case scenarios, but Baker says you can have an easier time navigating future emotions with early planning. I'm Chandler Painter, Fox News.